guys, so I'm back with these dandelion nails. I painted these for the A to Z nail art challenge over on Instagram. So if you want to join in, happily go check them out over there. It's so much fun. And the good thing about quarantine is that I get to do that every month. It's every 2 weeks. So here I am with a green polish called Yoda from a Smelters to Kelly. I just painted my index and pinky. And then for my middle and ring finger, I painted with a Colour Club in Fingers Crossed. So with this Nicole diary plate I've got from Born Pretty store and a black stamping polish, I'm just stamping the dandelion pattern and stamping that straight onto my middle finger. Then with that same plate, I'm just stamping the little tiny piece of dandelion fluff in a black polish again and just stamping that onto my nail. And then I just repeated stamping that again and placed it on my nail. And because I wanted a little bit else, I stamped this butterfly that's on that same plate and just stamped that straight on my nail. And because it looks bold, I added another piece of dandelion fluff. And then on my index and pinky finger, I just applied a normal glossy top coat. And on my middle and ring finger, I applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these dandelion nails. I keep umming and ahhing whether I like these or not. 1 minute I do, and the next minute I don't. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe. Subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!